Hello everyone, welcome back to Tonghacks channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to set the passcode on your iPhone. So having a passcode of our phone makes us feel secure since there is limited access to our phone. So if you want to set the passcode on iPhone, just go into the setting button, click and open it. Just scroll down until we found a Face ID and passcode. Click it to open and get an access, and now just need to scroll down again until we found a turn passcode on. Don't forget to prepare the combination of number and make the combination is quite unique so that no one can predict it. If you're ready to enter, just enter the passcode on it. Okay, for me, right, and then do it twice. So the second time is for verifying our new passcode, and then wait and hold on to generate it into the next step, which is entering the password of our Apple ID. So here, make sure you are not forgetting your password. Okay, if you remember, just enter the password of your Apple ID. Okay, for me. Right, after you finish, just sign in and wait until it's being processed. And now your phone is already have a passcode to access. That's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.